up, Sami here. So this is the K90 Max, Redmi K90 Max. It features Dimensity 9500 chip with the D2 GPU, 6.83-inch 165Hz screen, 80,550 mAh battery, 100 watts fast charge, and built-in cooling fan. And in this video, let's take a closer look at it, and I will walk you through the difference between the K90 Pro Max. Alright, K90 Max, starting with unboxing. So yeah, Redmi is surrounded by both. This is also the feature on K90 Pro Max. Again, this is a demo machine, so what I showed here is, just for reference. The official version might be slightly different. Anyway, let's just unbox it. This one is the Space Gray. Space 7. Let's just unbox it. Let's give it a really quick unboxing. So we have the SIM card ejector. Case a pretty hard, transparent case. The quality seems good. And now the machine, the foam. Alright, the foam. Wow, this silver version looks like a high tech. Wow, let's put it aside and check out what else we got. So we got a 100 watts charger and a Type A to Type C cable. Pretty classic, Xiaomi stuff. And now let's open this. This is the black version. So this is the black version. Wow. Looks like really shiny, right? Looks like really shiny. That's the two foams. Okay, different colors. Which one do you like most? Is this the matte finish? You don't need to worry about gathering fingerprints or something. It's really smooth. Anyway, let's just power the thing on. While we're waiting, let's take a quick look at the design. So on top, we have the sound by both. So you will know that the phone comes with a really decent sound. And this infrared blaster, speaker, everything. Move to right side, volume rocker, power key, bottom speaker, Type C, SIM card tray. Left side, nothing. And what's more, importantly, is this back design. So this is the camera module. So here it looks like it has this vertical stripped vent. Actually, this is the fan vent. Okay, and here is the air intake. All right, from here, and then we move to this side. Here is the air outlet. So if you put smoke, it will suck in and then comes out from this port. Alright, so this is the AnTuTu benchmark results. 3.7 million. that's a staggering number. The official one would reach up to 4.1 million, but this is a demo machine. So yeah, but that's quite staggering. That's crazy. K90 Max. Okay, and this is the K90 Pro Max. Okay, so if you want to know the difference, this is the design difference. All right, the camera module is different. The K90 Pro Max comes with a triple camera system, also with the Bose, speaker right here. But this is like the air vent, like I said before. So if you want to know the difference, I feel the 90 Max is a little bit thicker, right? At least visually. So the Redmi K90 Max focus on gaming performance, and the specs I just stated before. For the Redmi K90 Pro Max is an all-round flagship. It uses Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, 2K LTPO display, periscope telephoto lens, smaller battery capacity, and supports wireless charging. So simply put, K90 Max is made for heavy gaming, while K90 Pro Max delivers balanced overall experience. So overall, my first impression is the Redmi K90 Max offers strong performance, huge battery, and excellent cooling design. So it's a cost-effective gaming phone worth considering for mobile game lovers. So what do you think about it? Leave your comment below, and thanks for watching. I'm Sami. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.